Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a WordPress website backup using a free WordPress plugin. So let me log in into my website, and after that let me click on login button and now scroll down. Let me go in plugin sections, and here you can type a keyword backup. Then you will find out multiple backup plugins in WordPress plugin library. So you can use all of these plugins free of cost. So at this moment I want to install this plugin BackWPup, and here you can see 6 lakh plus active installations with 4.8 star ratings. Now scroll down, and on the left side just you can click here. Scroll down, then click here save and continue. And after that here you can select where you want to save your backup files. So select local, and after that click here save and test connection. Scroll down, and here you can see creating a backup. So very simple and useful plugin to create a backup for your WordPress website. Backup is important to avoid future data loss and any type of errors in your website. So guys, here you can see backup is created in only 23 seconds. So simply click here close button, then scroll down, and here you can see these are the backup files. So now simply you can click on three dots, simply you can download, restore and delete backup files. So this is database and this is files backup. So you will get two separate files, and you can also check advanced settings. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.